will enter into the story. Okay?
Ma'am, we should write the story in the book.
No need of the story. See, I forgot to tell you. Please keep a Bal Vihar book, everybody. Make a note of the calendar of today. And yeah, very good. And just a note, like how I sent today, Mandhara will poison Kaikeyi's mind. Like one note will be enough. And quiz number, like quiz in Ayodhya, we are in Ayodhya Kanda, quiz number 13 or 14. You can write down the questions. If you are very young to write, it's okay. You just write the answers and take a picture of it and send. Yeah. When you revisit after 6 months or 5 months, you will be surprised how many you have learned. Yeah, very good. I'm seeing the books. It's so good. And make a note of the important points you learned and the morals. After the class, I am sending the morals and we are discussing the morals also. If possible, please try to write. Okay? Okay, where were we last week? Everyone was very, very happy in Ayodhya because Dasharatha announced that Ramji is going to be coronated, like crowned, and the ceremony will happen the next day. Surprisingly, that day was also on the Punarvasu Nakshatra was there. Today is also Punarvasu Nakshatra, right? In Ramayana, there were no Sunday, Monday, Tuesday it seems. They used to calculate the day on the basis of stars and the masas and the Dakshinayana, Uttarayana, like that. Okay? So, when the people in Ayodhya learned that the ceremony will be happening the next day, they started decorating the streets, the royal streets and the junctions where the 2-3 streets meet. They decorated with flowers and with the colors. They sprinkled the sandal water all over, and tall poles were erected before the temples, and Vedas, Brahmins started chanting Vedas loudly so that everybody will listen, and the buildings were also decorated with lights. And they thought, if the ceremony will last till the night, there should not be any light failure. So they decorated the trees also with lamps, and some lamps were formed in the form of a tree, and on the trees also they decorated lamps. So people could not differentiate what is a natural tree and what is an artificial tree. Now we are thinking that we are only decorating the trees with lamps. No, 5,000 years back also they decorated the trees with lamps. So people came onto the roads. The Ayodhya was crowded. People were on the roads and they were celebrating, dancing. Musical instruments were played all over. And this is the position of people in Ayodhya. Now, on the other part, Dasharatha was feeling disturbed. Actually, he called Rama and said that you have to follow some rituals tonight. You have to fast. Then again he called out Vasishta because he was feeling something weird, some bad omens. So then he thought, he called the Rajaguru Vasishta and asked him to guide Ramji and Sita Mata to fast that night and follow all the rituals properly, because he didn't want Ramji to miss anything in getting the blessings of gods. So he wanted everything to be perfect, and he wanted Ramji to rule for thousands of years in the coming days. Then Vasishta Muni came and he said, okay, I will take care, Dasharatha, don't worry. Then Vasishta Muni went to Ramji's palace. Ramji came to know about that Vasishta Muni is coming. So he went to the entrance to welcome Vasishta Muni, and while he went on a chariot, Vasishta Muni went on a chariot, and when Vasishta Muni was getting down, Ramji gave his hand in helping him to get down. That was the Guru Bhakti Ramji had. He did not think that, oh, I am very busy, tomorrow I am going to be coronated, so I am very busy. No, not like that. When the minute he came to know that Vasishta Muni is coming, he went running to receive him. Then Vasishtha Muni was very very happy and he blessed Ramji and Sita Mata, and he said what to follow, what are the rituals they have to follow, and he initiated the vows of fasting, and he asked them to sleep in the puja room before Lord Vishnu, and the next day to start the and he said he guided other Brahmins also what to do on the next day. And then Vasishtha Muni started leaving. When he was going on the chariot, imagine, it was like an ocean. The city was crowded, right? When the chariot is going, people were divided into two parts and gave him the way. Then Vasishtha Muni was also very very happy. Like Ram is so blessed that he got so much of fan following, like they are admiring him, right? That is very much needed for a king. When he is ruling, there should be no protesting. So people are loving so much. So Ram is a very good person, so that's why he is lovable. He thought and he went. This is the night of Ramji. We saw the night of Ayodhya people, the night of Ramji, and then now we will see, because Valmiki ji is giving the live telecast in every direction. Now we will see what Kausalya Mata is doing. Kausalya Mata and Sumitra ji, they are in the same palace. Kausalya was very very happy. She was donating cows to Brahmins and giving gold coins to Brahmins, because she is doing dana for the welfare of Rama. There was also a celebration all over in the palace. Besides the Kausalya Mata's palace, there was another palace of Kaikeyi Mata. One servant maid, she went up to the rooftop and she saw the celebration and she was shocked. She is the servant maid of Kaikeyi. Her name is Manthara. She is an ugly looking lady with a hunchback. Her back will not be straight. She will have a back like this. And when she saw, she wanted to know what is happening. So she called out Kausalya's maid and asked, what is happening? Why is Kausalya so happy? Is Dasharatha announced any good news? She asked. Then out of ecstasy, out of joy, she said, tomorrow Ram is going to be coronated as Yuvaraja. So that's why we are all celebrating. Is there any good news better than this? She asked. So she could not feel it good. Immediately she thought that the sky is, as if the sky is collapsed. She went down and she went to directly went to Kaikeyi's chambers and asked. There Kaikeyi Mata was nicely lying down. Uttishta Mude. Mude means murkha, dumb fellow. Uttishta Mude kim sheshe bhayam tvam abhivartate. So she said, when the danger is around, how can you sleep like this? You fool, get up, she said. Then Kaikeyi was like, what happened? Why are you screaming like this? Then she said, just now I realized that Dasharatha announced tomorrow Ram will be coronated as Yuvaraja. And you and Bharat will be left with nothing. Your end is near. She was talking, but Kaikeyi was not at all paying any attention. She was delighted with the news. Just now only she is listening about the news. So she is delighted. Her face lit up. Then she said that I don't differentiate between Bharat and Ram. They both are equal to me. Okay. She said like that. And also she said, I am very very happy to listen to this news. So that's why she gave one beautiful jewel to Manthara. Then Manthara was not happy. She threw it away. But Kaikeyi Mata she further continued. Ram is having all the qualities to become a ruler. And he is the eldest among the brothers. And he is loved by all. For me, if Bharat is worthy, even Ram is more worthier. And if Ram gets the kingdom, it is like Bharat also got the kingdom. Correct, right? This is the situation. This is the love and affection between Kaikeyi Mata and Ramji till then. And we knew this because when Ramji announced this news to Lakshmana, he said that Lakshmana, we both will rule the kingdom. It's not that I alone will rule. We are not together. We will be together. He said it already. So Ramji is like that only. So Kaikeyi Mata is guessing correct. If Ram is getting the kingdom, even Bharat will also get the kingdom. But Mandhara refused. Now she started differentiating, creating the differences between Ram and Kaikeyi Mata. She said that as if she is taking the stand of Kaikeyi Mata and Ram is the other side, she started talking. Bharat is the natural enemy of Ram. See how the things will turn. Now Kaikeyi was shocked to listen to this. Once he ascends the throne, means once he becomes the king, he will definitely kill Bharat or banish him from this kingdom. It's been 12 years. He went to his grandfather's house. You have sent him. Right? Soon after Bharat is married, he went to his grandfather's kingdom, right? We learnt it. It's been 12 years that Ayodhya people forgot about Bharat. They are just seeing Ram, so that's why they're very happy with the Ram. Once Ram ascends the throne, he will kill Bharat. And you know about Dasharatha. Dasharatha is like a snake. He talks sweetly and righteously, but how he decided, how he planned the coronation of Rama when Bharat is away. And he claims that you are his favorite queen, and without telling you, he decided this event. So Kaikeyi Mata started thinking, and again she attacked from Rama's side and Dasharatha's side. Now she starts from Kausalya Mata. You never obeyed, you think that you are the favorite queen of Dasharatha and taking the advantage of, you never respected Kausalya. You never treated Kausalya kindly. So now she will take revenge. You have to pay back. She will treat you as a servant. You and I will become the servants of her because she will be the Rajamata. You and I will become the servants of her. And Bharat will become the servant of Rama. And you are saying that Rama will give the kingdom to Bharat. Never. Rama's kids will become the kings. After that, their kids will become the kings. And never ever Bharat will become the king. Can you get it? What I am saying now? Now again and again, by listening to Mandhara's words, Kaikeyi was completely trapped. Vakya Vasham Gataha means Mandhara's words started working in Kaikeyi's mind. Oh Mandhara, if you are not there, I can never understand what Dasharatha's plan is. Now Bharat will become the king, or I will breathe my last. Means I will die here only if Bharat is not going to become the king. Please tell me the plan. Keno payena mandhare means tell me the plan to execute how Bharat will become the king. So then she said, do you remember how much Dasharatha loves you? He cannot see you crying. He cannot do anything that upsets you. So that's why make use of it. Now and he has given you two boons when once upon a time Indra asked Dasharatha for help to fight against Rakshasas, because Dasharatha is a great warrior, right? So that's why when Indra and Rakshasas were fighting, he took the help of Dasharatha. The Rakshasa's name is Sambarasura. He lives in Dandakaranya. In Vaijayantapuram in Dandakaranya, when in the battlefield, Dasharatha got badly hurt when he went to help gods. At that time, Kaikeyi helped Dasharatha by taking his chariot away from the battlefield, and when he was wounded, she treated him till he became good. So at that time, Dasharatha felt very, very happy and asked Kausalya to take 2 boons. He granted 2 boons, but he never, Kaikeyi, he granted 2 boons to Kaikeyi, but she never used them. Now make use of those boons. When Dasharatha comes here, bind him with those 2 boons. Ask, one is stop the coronation and Bharat should become the Yuvraj, not Ram. The second one is Ram should be sent off to exile for 14 years, so that, because why is this second one? If Bharat should become the king, that is okay, because her plan is, if Ram is in Ayodhya, people will never go away from Ram and respect Bharata. So that's why if Ram is away, people will forget him and Bharat can establish among the people. Bharat will establish himself among the people. So this is the plan. So don't swerve away. When Dasharatha comes and talk to you sweetly, don't give up. Then Kaikeyi took the firm decision and she started entering into the Krodh Bhavan, the anger room, the tantrums room. There she threw away all the jewels. She wore dirty clothes and she was just lying down on the bare floor. In that room there were no lights. Till I come, if I come out, it means that Bharat is going to be coronated. Otherwise I will die here only. This is what she said to Mandara and she entered. So now Kaikeyi started crying. Now Dasharatha, and she is awaiting for Dasharatha. This is the story, children. Now it's morals time.
Do not go into the wrong path.
Do not. Tejo is saying, do not go into the wrong path. What is wrong here?
Kaikeyi went into the wrong path.
Mandara's words. Do you think that Mandara's words are bad?
Yes.
Correct. If Kaikeyi Mata doesn't listen to Mandara, the situation will be very different, right? She opposed. For first few lines, she opposed also. When Mandara entered into the room, Kaikeyi Mata was very, very loving to Ram. Think before you act. Correct.
Don't compare each other.
Don't compare each other.
Don't be cruel about others.
Correct. Don't think cruel about when everybody is seeing, when everybody is very joyful. Listen.
Don't think bad.
Correct. When everybody is very joyful and Ayodhya, only Mandara is not joyful. Why? Who is Manthara? With what we can compare Manthara?
Servant of Kaikeyi.
Manthara is pure jealousy. Right? She is not outside. She will be there in everybody's heart. But when she comes out, we should not entertain. Kaikeyi Mata entertained her.
You didn't.
Right?
Don't be selfish.
Yes, it is a pure selfish act which Ramji ruling Ayodhya is very good to everybody. And correct. And never start talking.
Don't go into others' words. Don't go into others' words.
Correct. Don't get influenced. Correct. But never start talking, dividing, division. See, she started poisoning.
Do not compare with anyone.
It's okay. Never start talking ill about others. Right? But is it the situation what Mandara said? No. Ramji will not kill Bharata. That is her assumption. We can say Mandara is ignorant. She did not know. So, but Kaikeyi Mata was under her trap. Never talk ill. And even Dasharatha was not like that. she started talking about ill about Dasharatha also, Kausalya Mata also, Ramji also. And when Kaikeyi Mata related herself emotionally with Bharat, when things are bad with Bharat, she was under the influence. So that's why when you are listening to Sat Sang, Sat means good. Good company is always very, very important. Right? When you are entertain the bad company, it creates problems. So never ever entertain. If you don't have the good company also, it is okay. But never go under bad company. It will lead to the destruction. See, the story of Ramayana will now it has turned upside down, right? The Ram is going to be the king. Now he has to go to the forest. This is what she will ask now. Okay, kids. Where is Shriya, Manvit?